Hi viewers, we are going to do chocolate brownie fudge cake. So that will be really different. So we will see how it's going to be because you always wait for something different and I also prefer to do something different and nice so that you will enjoy preparing. So we will do now the chocolate brownie fudge cake. For that, I need all ingredients which I have kept here. First thing I am going to do is I have to melt the butter 125 grams and 300 grams of chocolate I have, that is cooking chocolate, right, which is dark cooking chocolate, that is 300 grams. In that 300 grams I am going to use 200 grams of that and prepare the preparation, that is going to be melting the butter and the chocolate. We will do that. Okay. First thing I am going to do, double boil. This is going to be double boil. When I keep the water and this bowl should not touch the water. Okay. So we will put 125 grams of butter. 125 grams butter. And I have got 300 grams of cooking dark chocolate. Within that I am going to use 200 grams of this, not the whole thing, 200 grams I am going to use. These two together I am going to double boil this now. Now we are going to double boil this. Can you see this? Double boil the cooking chocolate and the butter. Cooking chocolate 200 grams, butter 125 grams. You nicely allow it to double boil. It will start melting now. The water is boiling, so it will start melting. Now I see what I am doing. The water is boiling and I have double boiled it. Now this is nicely melted. Just for 2-3 minutes only I have kept, because I kept the water to boil. When the water is boiling, I kept this bowl untouched on the water. Now see, this is nicely melted. We won't need this water. We will put this away. Keep this aside. Now what I am going to do is, now I am going to use the flour. 125 grams of flour. That 125 grams flour, I am going to sift it. Right, separately we are doing it. Please watch carefully so that you will know what we are doing here. And I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I need bicarbonate of soda, just 1/4 teaspoon, a bit of salt, All this together I will sift it now. And now we are using the flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda and the salt. 3 eggs, yolks and the white together. Then I need the sugar, 125 grams of sugar. That also I have put. Mix it nicely. Just write it down so that it will be easy for you. Now what I am going to do is I have to beat it up. Before I start beating, I will use this mixture. Can you see? The butter and the chocolate which I have mixed and kept. That we will use it. 2 teaspoons of cocoa I need. That also I have put it. 2 teaspoons of cocoa. Mix all this together and we will start beating. Just want to mix it once and then we will start. We don't have to beat so much because this is already mixed well, so no beating as such. These cashew nuts I am using about 90 grams of cashew nuts, 30 grams of almonds which I have already taken. I want the balance almond to put it on top. So we will mix all these together. Now I need vanilla essence, chocolate essence, about half a teaspoon. I have got a tray, 6 by 6 square or a 6-inch diameter round tray. Keep it ready. Not much of beating we did, just to blend it together. That's all we have to do. Sides more, center has to be a little low so that once it's baked, it comes leveled. Nothing to worry. I have some almonds which I am putting, half I have put in, that's about 30 grams almonds which I am using the balance. Now we are going to bake this. I have put into a 6-inch tray, 6 or 6.5-inch tray I have put, round or a square, and that's for this quantity. If you are making more than this, then of course the tray has to be a little bigger. We are going to bake for 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, 45 minutes. I am going to bake it. So we will bake that and see how it comes. Now this oven is a little different, so I didn't want to show you. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, you bake for 45 minutes. Once you bake for 45 minutes, the cake will be ready. We will see. Not much of decoration that I am going to do. See lastly what I am going to do for it. Now you can see the cake is ready. Once it's baked, the cake is ready and we don't need any decoration as such. But I am going to just slightly dust it with a little cocoa powder. So we will see how it's going to be, and it's ready to serve also. Just a wee bit of cocoa, it's just put, that's all. On top of it, it's put. The cake is ready to serve. That means tea time, you can serve a cake like this. It's really nice. Chocolate brownie fudge cake is going to be delicious, and it's nice to serve for tea time or any time when guests come, or you can have it anytime you want. So try it out and see how it comes, because this is something different for a normal preparation like. So enjoy preparing these type of cakes and you will be happy to serve. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode with another nice preparation. Bye from me now.